got this 5-ton unit. It doesn't sit level, so it's sitting on the compressor sitting flat on the pad, but it rocks. So I had to shim it right here, right there. I'm gonna put 4 legs on it. They're gonna take the multi-tool and cut around, so it'll look nice when I'm done. I got my 3/4 screw set here. When I screwed in, I hold it. I have a little bit of a gap down here, so when I pull my 5/16 down, it'll pull the condense unit down and really tighten this up here. See how it's like loose right now, so I'm gonna pull this 5/16 down. So we're nice and tight, and then now all I have to do is cut it. This is the 100,000 BTU Rheem 5-ton set up on a Protect filter, 21 by 28. Coming up here, we got ADP coil, ADP, got our dryer, and then I had a the transition as it's offset, 3-inch offset, 3-inch offset, because those are 2 trusses that cannot be cut. So we had to offset that so that the furnace lines up so we can get the filter in. The filter, because of the door, the furnace has to stay in this position. So we had to come up with the offset. Everything had to be built in the closet to get it to the door. I mean, we had to get it to the door, so we had to put them on transition in the closet. So. Alrighty, we got it all charged up. This 5-ton is running perfect. I got 0.25 on my return because I'm running the MERV 8 Protect 21 by 28. It's the only way you're going to get a 5-ton to work in a retrofit situation, in my opinion, but it works really good. So I've been running the Honeywell MERV 11s. They won't do it. I don't even know if they'll do. And a 20 by 25 at 3.5 tons. I don't like them. I'm MERV 8, MERV 10 max. But yeah, this one's good. Got the 5-ton up and running. The pull pump is running right now, so it's making some noise. But yeah, this thing's running good. My feet, my anchors.